Hi, I'm Kevin Burkhardt, William Patterson University class of '97. You may know me as studio host and play-by-play announcer for baseball and the NFL on Fox, but I got my start in broadcasting, of course, covering Pioneer athletic events right on campus, as well as on the road with the teams, too. I spent hours and hours calling games, talking to coaches and athletes, and I found a home at William Patterson. I really did. I'm proud to have stayed connected to the WP community through the years, too. It means a lot to me. I know from my own experience that WP student athletes have grit, commitment, determination, and perseverance. Their willpower is on display every single day. But they also need the right tools, the right care, and the right support to compete and succeed at the highest level. That's why I'm proud to help launch the Pioneering Champions campaign to raise $1.5 million for an addition and renovation to the existing Fieldhouse facility on campus. It'll feature a new fitness center for WP student athletes and strength and conditioning and cardio areas too, as well as an expanded athletic training facility that benefits the physical development and well-being of all student athletes who compete for our NCAA intercollegiate programs. Now, the facility will also include renovated and expanded locker rooms, providing improved spaces for both men's and women's outdoor sports teams too. We need you, our alumni and friends, to help make this project a reality. WP is focused on helping its student athletes succeed in the classroom and in the athletic arena. Together, and with your support, we can give our pioneers the tools they need to excel. Together, we'll build this.